Alright, so today we're on the side of the house where all the chaos happens. There's lots of mess here, lots of things to do. Building some furniture. We have a corner cabinet that I'd like to get rid of, and we're making a new one. And I've done a little bit of work on this already, and because of my energy levels and the temperature out here and everything like that, this is going to be a bit of an atypical video. So I've already put some stain and varnish on this piece of MDF. And we've got some oiled timber down here, and we're cutting everything at 45 degrees. So yeah, pretty much the case. We're going to make 3 of these, stack them on top and put some uprights, and if I'm lucky, maybe some sides. There is going to be a file server that has to sit on this that might overhang the corners a bit, so the sides might not be that great. Anyway, let's see how we go. Alright, so the top piece, you can see that the stain and varnish is not even. MDF soaks it up like a sponge. So this is already about half a can here, and it's about 15 bucks a can. So the top might be the only one that gets done. We'll see how it goes.
1 hour later.
Alright, we have 3 layers completed. Not all of it straight. The first one was perfect, and that was my baseline. And I had trimmed all these to exactly the same size. There are some flaws in this. It happens when you eyeball it. The other thing that also happens is heat. I have multiple sclerosis. My dexterity drops off when I start getting hot. It got hotter than expected here, so I'm gonna have to take a break for a bit. I think I can live with this. This will be in the corner where we won't see. This one I can probably shave down later. We're just gonna do the top one, but yes, we need the shelves to hold stuff. I will work it out in a bit. Got my verticals done, got my spacer measure done. That's what we're replacing. Let's assemble inside. Alright, so we've got the main spar put in. We've got our top shelf spaced. Our bottom put at the very bottom. In case there's any variance in distance, the bottom shelf doesn't matter. The top one's measured up to be similar to that. So we're going to put another one along the back line. We're leaving just one screw for now till we get everything aligned. And then it should square up and we'll be able to put it in the corner.
2 hours later.
Alright, well I got a little bit carried away and finished the project off, cleaned everything, put it all back again. Still some cable management to do, but it fits, the server still works. The donation from Dead Meat behind there still works. I'm going to put some little brackets in here and try and make things fit properly. And the 12 volt system off the solar battery, we're going to rejig that. Put a proper little fuse box and a bunch of other stuff there for it. But so far, we're happy with it. The financial manager seems to feel it blends and fits in, so I'm not going to argue with that. It does well enough for the job. So, I'm going to go and lay down. I'm exhausted.